Church. Come experience the Lord for yourself. Come experience the Lord for yourself. FWBC. Come experience the Lord for yourself.
And so watch this. Watch this. In a real sense, the Klan comes after her. Negroes come after her. And she discovers, watch it, that she's like that single, solitary student standing in Tiananmen Square against the tank. And the tank has weapons of mass destruction. And young Barbara Johns is unarmed with nothing but faith and the truth. And that's enough right there. I guess y'all don't know that. So let me give you our text. In our text, heaven's hero and earth's emancipator has already led the march on Jerusalem. We call it the Palm Sunday processional. And you know what went down there? The crowd gathers. Jesus rides in, and the crowd is hollering out, Hosanna. Now, you got to know the context. This is a subversive call for revolution that is going on against the Roman oppressive empire. How do I know? Because they're saying Hosanna. What does Hosanna mean? It means Lord, save us. Lord, deliver us. Lord, deliver us. Lord, liberate us. Lord, get us out from under the iron feet of oppression. And those, watch this, who are overseers for the oppressor, they tell Jesus, tell these to shut up. And Jesus says, no, if these hold their peace, the rocks will cry out. I like that, because Jesus says, let them make noise, because the only way stuff is going to change, somebody has got to make some noise. The only way stuff is going to get better, somebody has got to make some noise. Y'all not
West Baptist Church.